Good morning. Thanks for watching this video. Today's video is a tour. I'm going to give you a tour of my office at Berea College. And I'm leaving Lexington and we'll be there momentarily. Okay, so we're essentially here. I always park in the back here. This is Nap Hall. And I never get a parking spot where I'm parking here, because I never get into the office early enough. I swear most people I work with are early birds, and I am a night owl. So this is where I park, and I will show you. Gotta get my keys. I'll show you where I gotta get my mask. I don't know. Usually I walk to the front because then I don't got to do those stairs. This is the outside. So I hope the audio comes through, because there's a guy cutting grass here. Here you can see that's my office right there. We'll go in a second. Lights are off right now, but this is my usual routine. Lisa sits here, works here, although that might change when we come back in the fall. Then my colleague Shelby, and then my office. I found this. I think we went to Tennessee. And we stopped somewhere, and I found that at a shop, and I thought it was clever. But then I don't know where these originated from. These things. My kids have been here. It's funny, they've kept that up. So Chloe has drawn some things here. Let's see, let's do this. I've come into the office to check mail, grab some things every once in a while. But this is my outback up here. This is a view coming in. I think it's might not be totally organized, but it's fairly clean. I don't know, some people, I'm sure, comment below if you're a professor or a teacher or somebody that has an office and you have a more organized office than me, or if you think that you're more disorganized than me. Have my standing desk. This is really nice. I need 2 hands for it, so I might not be able to do it. Set the camera down. But at any rate, this standing desk moves up. I always have a fan. I guess that's always been something that I've done. I think my wife will attest to. When I drive, I always have to have the air blowing on me. Got a picture of my lovely wife. What else? Got my Korean flag. Put that there so people see it right away, because I'm proud to be Korean. And then got my daily reminders. This thing was given to me by a former student for circles, restorative justice circles. And I got this is a World Series ball my dad gave to me. It's autographed when the Twins were in the World Series. What else? This is a stamp with my Korean last name. And then I got I have to admit, I probably drink more soda than I should, but I got my Mountain Dew sodas and different drinks from different places I've been. And then one thing I've been trying to do more often is frame the covers of books. I know there's some people I follow and I admire on Facebook that do this as well, so it wasn't my idea, it was more theirs. Then I got I think that was last Father's Day. This Father's Day I got that t-shirt. But that was last Father's Day. And then I have this big wall that I'm needing to put some things on. And then I got this. I think I'm gonna put this one up there. So what else can I show you? Oh, you gotta see the back door. This is my regalia. If you're a doctoral student or a soon to graduate PhD, EDD, and you're going into higher ed, highly encourage you to save up or make payments on your cap and gown, so then you got it for all the commencements you'll be at. So just think of your career, how long you anticipate being a faculty member, and then multiply that by 2 graduations a year, and you'll get your money's worth. And here's the outdoor. This is the view. And then I never adjust these for the sunlight or whatnot, but I guess I could do that. So that's a tour of my my office. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, please. Let me know what future videos you'd like to see. And I hope that you're enjoying the content. Your feedback will help me better understand what topics and videos you want. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We're up to 85 subs, and the first goal is 100. So it sounds small, but to me it's a lot. But we'll continue to make videos regardless if people are subscribing to the channel, because it's something that I want to do and I'm enjoying. So hope you're enjoying it, and stay safe. Take care. Bye.